Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, I'll be showing you the step-by-step method on how to print out your US appointment confirmation from your dashboard. And I've realized a lot of people don't really know how to do this. After booking your appointment date, then you're like, where can I print out my appointment confirmation? And this is why I'm making this video. To make this easier for you, I've made a video to show you the step-by-step method on how to print out your appointment confirmation from your page. Now, before I proceed, please kindly subscribe to this channel, click on the notifications icon. It's very important so that whenever I make a new video like this, you don't get to miss it. Now, let's get into it. And also, don't forget to like this video. Always come back for more because I'll be making videos every other week. Now, as you all know, I love being practical, so I'll be logging into my system right now to show you this practical step-by-step. This is going to be a very short video. Hey guys, so if you are trying to download your appointment confirmation, I realize that a lot of people don't know how to go about this, so this is why I'm making this video. All you just have to do is to log into your appointment profile. So once you log in on this first page, all you just have to do is to click on these dates. As you can see, appointment confirmation. Now just click on it. Once you click on this particular information, it shows you this page. So once it shows you this page, there are several stuff you can do. You could either email it to your email address, you could download the appointment calendar, or you can do the printable version. So the easiest way to go about it is just click on printable version. Once you click on the printable version, it automatically opens a new tab with the PDF confirmation. So once it opens the PDF confirmation, you can so now two ways. If you want to print immediately, just click on print. If you want to save, if you click on this save icon, it's not going to really save. So the easiest way to actually save this file is to click on the print icon here. So once you click on the print icon, now click here. Instead of printing, just click on save as PDF. Once you click save as PDF, you can then select save, and you can rename it to your choice. You can just say my appointment confirmation. My appointment confirmation. They can just click save. Automatically that file will be saved on your PC. Now this is exactly how to print your appointment confirmation. So if you find this video useful, like I said, don't forget to click on the like button. Don't forget to share this video like you that might be having issues looking for where to print out the appointment confirmation. Thanks for subscribing. See you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful again, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Click on the notifications icon. That's the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that whenever I make a new video, you don't get to miss it. Now, see you next time. I wish you success in your interview. Bye.